This is Cora's first time trying carrots.
During like the 4th century, wanted all the Romans to celebrate Christ's birth. So he made it on this winter solstice.
Cora likes cereal. I don't think she's too sure about carrots. Want another try? Here. A little bit more?
Go to church.
Here. Here we go. Yeah. Well, that's better than last time. The first time you spit most of it out. Yeah. First bite. Let's try this again. Let's see what kind of mess it is. Okay. You like food. Yeah, it's different than cereal. Here. You'll get it back. Mommy's quick. She'll get it. Okay, here. Oh, it's mostly gone. That was just mostly close. Okay. Last bite of that. You like it? Want some more? We got all the way down there. We don't like carrots as much as cereal. We'll like them soon. Okay, messy girl. Oh. We don't want to get good at that skill. Ready? Okay. You gotta finish this bite, and then we'll be done with carrot for the day. Oh, that's your new thing, huh? What is that? Is that your tongue? Here. Today we like to stick our tongue out at other people, huh? We're sticking our tongue out at other people. What are you doing? Okay, finish this bite. Ah. Well, that was Mommy's fault. No, that's your fault. You have to eat that. No, you have to eat that. There you go. Finish it up. Good girl. Okay, say goodbye. Okay, bye-bye. Bless you. Silly girl. Okay, we'll try other things later.